It's one thing for a magician to yank a tablecloth from the dinner table and have the silverware and glasses stay in place, but how would they solve this problem? Look no further than Facebook for help. That's where one concerned user turned to after being unable to figure out how to open this cupboard without breaking all of the fine china. A frustrated mother took the picture, which was posted to a Taiwan-based Facebook community page. The picture spread like wildfire on China's social media network Weibo, and throughout Taiwan, as well as Facebook, with over 16,000 reactions. How would you prevent this from happening? Several of the nearly 500 comments suggested softening the fall, literally, by placing thick blankets, quilts, or mattresses underneath. Another user jokingly suggested flooding the whole room with water, so when the door is opened, the plates would float out. Plenty of other users suggested giving up and buying new plates. All's well that ends well, as the user who posted the picture online told the Daily Mail his friend already solved the problem. She opened one door slightly, using her hand to hold the plates, then pushed the door further. Maybe now they'll think about using paper plates. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.